Imagine this, you are in a meeting and someone asks you a question in English. You know the answer, you have the ideas in your mind, but when you try to respond, only one or two words come out. It's not because you don't know the answer, it's because forming a full sentence feels difficult. In this session, you are going to listen to a real conversation between a tutor and a learner. You will hear how the learner struggles with short replies and how the tutor helps him step by step to build a clear, detailed sentences. By the end of this video, you will see how the same three-step method can help you move from one-word answers to confident answers. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
Hello, Arjun. How are you doing today?
I'm good, ma'am. A little tired, actually.
Oh, okay. Long day?
Yes, ma'am. I had chemistry lab today.
Ah, that explains it. Those lab days can be really tiring. How long was it?
3 hours, ma'am.
3 hours? That's a lot. Okay, then let's make this session worth it. Ready to start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so last class I gave you a small task to record yourself speaking for 3 minutes. Did you try it?
Ma'am, I did record, but I deleted it.
You deleted it?
Yes, ma'am. It didn't sound good. My voice felt strange and my sentences were all broken.
Arjun, this is something almost every student tells me. Same exact line. But listen, that feeling you had when you heard your voice, that uncomfortable feeling, it's actually a good sign.
Good sign?
Yes, that feeling is called discomfort. It simply means you're becoming aware. You can notice what's not right. And awareness is always the first step to improvement. So next time, don't delete it. Just listen once and leave it.
Okay, ma'am. I'll keep it next time.
Good. That's all I want. All right. Today I want to show you something very simple, but it can really improve how you speak in English.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's start with a simple question. What did you do after college yesterday?
I came home, ate food, and slept.
Good. That's correct. But tell me, does that feel like a complete answer?
Not really, ma'am. It feels too short.
Exactly. Most people stop at just one line. They say what happened, but they don't explain anything more. So the answer feels flat. No detail, no feeling.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I do.
That's okay. Let's fix it. Whenever someone asks you something, don't answer in one line. Just think of 3 simple things. First, what happened? Then, why it happened? And finally, add a small time detail. That's it. Very simple.
Oh, okay.
Let me show you using your same answer. Instead of saying, I came home, ate food, and slept, you can say, after college I came home. I was really tired because we had a lab for 3 hours. So I had food and slept early. See the difference?
Yes, ma'am. It sounds much better.
Exactly. Same story. But now it feels natural. Now you try. Same question.
After college, I came home. I was very tired because we had a lab test, so I ate food and slept early.
Perfect. That's it. One more. How was your morning today?
My morning was okay. I woke up late because I slept late last night. So I got ready quickly and reached college on time.
Very good. That sounded natural.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me your full morning, just casually.
I woke up at 7. I did brush, had breakfast quickly, and left for college.
Good. Just one small correction. I did brush doesn't sound natural here. We simply say I brushed my teeth.
Oh, okay.
Try again.
I woke up at 7, brushed my teeth, had breakfast, and left for college.
Much better. That sounds smooth. And had breakfast very natural.
Like learning naturally?
Exactly. Like a sponge, your brain absorbs English by listening.
I think from web series, ma'am.
Yes, keep watching. It helps a lot. Okay, Arjun. Now just speak. Tell me about your full day. Don't stop, just talk.
Today I woke up a little late because I slept late last night. I got ready quickly, brushed my teeth, had breakfast, and went to college. Morning had 2 lectures. They were okay. Then we had chemistry lab, and it was stressful because I couldn't finish one experiment. After that, I had lunch with my friend. Then I came home, rested, and joined this class.
Arjun, that was really good.
Really, ma'am?
Yes, you spoke without stopping. You used because. You gave reasons. Did you notice?
No, ma'am. I was just talking.
That's perfect. That means it's becoming natural. Okay, give me one sentence for each word. Discomfort and absorb.
I felt discomfort when the professor asked me a question I didn't know.
Very good.
I absorb English faster when I watch web series than studying grammar.
That's a strong sentence. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good session today, Arjun. You did really well. Before day 3, 2 small tasks.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do both. And I won't delete this time.
I know you won't. See you on day 3.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Arjun. Take care.